Hey, it's nobody bushcraft here. With just Dan. Nature's Agenda's over there. This is his first Fatwood Friday video. Ron T. Sawyer's supposed to show up and everything. So I'm basically just teaching him how to do fatwood and birch bark.
Oh.
So let's
Get cracking, eh?
Yep.
Which one we starting with? Yeah. It don't matter.
Fatwood. Get your fluff on your fatwood.
All right, sick. We'll go with this one then. We'll see how it was.
Yep.
Oh yeah, this one. That one's nice. Nice, except picking up from with my thumb, eh?
Yep. The more pressure you put on the back of it with your thumb and the thumb area. So if you have your knife,
oh, with
like
the
here
knife hand, yeah.
and here, and you're pushing down, it'll be better.
Oh, it's too much.
Yep. Remember to keep the knife straight. Turn the fatwood.
A couple more off that side right there. Typical me, doing one small little task here and sweating like a pig.
Well, that's kind of how it happens.
I need to buff this sucker out right here.
All right, and idealistically, you want at least a quarter size. Flip your knife over. Yep. Knock it off that way. Yep.
Sick, that's
All right.
pretty good quarter size right there, huh?
Yep. Get your ferrule rod. Remember how to strike them?
With the back, right?
Yep. Right up into it.
Yeah, right there is.
But don't smush the fatwood.
Don't smush. Let's go 90 degrees for good luck here.
Yep.
Go right there. Ooh, close. Give it a little bit of a refluff. Right there. Oh. We're getting there. That little piece over there. Yeah. I'm trying not to squish it.
What do we do? Tornado comes
There you go.
Boom.
All right.
Took a little longer than anticipated, but we got it.
That's all right.
Stand back a
Make
little
sure I'm
bit so
in
I'm not
frame.
breathing that sucker right in.
Well,
That's how it's done. Here we go. Get the brats out. Oh, too late. You missed that.
You're sweating.
I know. I'm sweating like a pig over here.
all right.
Second.
Fatwood Friday.
Second brat. Get one.
Yeah, I was actually gonna pick it up with the birch bark. I forgot to tell Dan that.
Oh, well, hell. Looks like we gotta redo it.
Again.
There's everything.
Sweet.
And not necessarily brats, but definitely
Couple hot doggies on there.
break out the chicken. Throw a big piece of fat wood on there.
You want this one too, or are you saving it?
No, you put that one on there.
Do put it on?
Yep.
Sick. Oh, I'm gonna put my wallet back in the car there.
All right. Remember the fire triangle?
Mm-hmm. The TP.
No. For the fire triangle, you need air, fuel, and heat. And once you have those, you'll have a good fire.
Mm-hmm.
All right, that's it. I know Nature's Agenda was gonna do some first aid, first aid videos. So we gotta hurry up because,
The storm is a coming.
yep. Got that set up there. Got that set up over there.
Looking good.